Here we are at our 2015 Premier 260 Grand Entertainer PTX. The PTX is the high performance package that Premier makes. Makes this Tritoon handle more like a boat. It will actually bank on the turns. And it is a Tritoon. We've got 3 tubes. We've got LED lighting up here in the front. We've got a few dings to your front tips of the pontoons. There's your LED dock lighting there. A little bit of a ding on that corner as well. Very nicely equipped Tritoon with plenty of space. It's rated for 16. We've got the low maintenance flooring. We've got a pop-up changing room here built into this front lounge seat. Raise this up. Some storage under there, and then we've got this frame and a canvas that will drape down to give you some privacy there. We've also got the in-floor ski locker. This is built into your center Tritoon. Lots of storage. You've got the plastic molded seat bases. There's no wood in here to rot. Built-in wastebasket storage. The frame of that subwoofer is a little bit busted. Looks like it's been bumped into. We've got the 3-gauge. You've got the front, the stern, and the port side gate. Dual captain's chairs that are conveniently placed under your overhead bimini top. Stainless steel cup holders. Just next to your port side captain's chair, it's got LED lighting overhead above the bimini top, and you've got a raised helm station in this plastic molded base. Lifts that captain seat just a little bit to give you a better view over your passengers when you got to load it down. So I said it is rated for 16. Got an engine hour meter, engine alarm gauge here. We'll have those engine hours listed at our website. There's your engine trim gauge, your tachometer. You've got a speedometer, battery voltmeter over here, and a display in the center there. That's a GPS Chartplotter display. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, but you've got an audio input and USB input for your stereo system, along with the 12-volt power charger here, all at the helm station. That's a tilt steering wheel as well. Both of these center captain seats will swivel. And then we've got a built-in bar, which is what your Grand Entertainers are known for. You've got a little shade top mounted above the bar. You've got some wine glass drink holders overhead, built-in cup holders in the bar with LED lighting surrounding it, some built-in stereo speakers, and of course your 4 bar stools. Those all swivel and will go up and down. Battery switch as you work your way around the bar, and then you've got a 12-volt Norris built-in refrigerator. Some storage. Now here's your stereo head unit. It's a Jensen stereo. It's a Bluetooth Axiom ready stereo, satellite ready stereo. Your faceplate is here, and again you've got the auxiliary inputs there at the driver's seat, so that'll give you driver control if you're using one of those 2 USB auxiliary input. Another 12-volt power outlet here, and then just some built-in storage. Nice stainless storage built-in sink. So you do have dual batteries. And then of course we're powered by 175 horsepower Suzuki 4-stroke outboard motor. That's got a turbo swing ski tow bar. swim boarding ladder here right next to it. And that's C-Star hydraulic steering. Fuel is back here. This boat has been used here on Norris Lake in freshwater, kept undercover. It's not in use. I've got it just pushed out of the covered slip just for a little bit better lighting today. Going to have the full list of specifications as well as the current asking price at our website, which is www.yournewboat.com. Try not to discuss those in our video tours because those often change throughout the listing. There's your water fill here. You have an onboard water supply. Engine hours will be posted at the website. This is really easy to find if you've not made it to our website yet. www.yournewboat.com. Click the Find Your New Boat tab. That's going to show you everything in our inventory in order of price. Starts high, just scroll down till you see 2015 Premier PTX 260 Grand Entertainer Tritoon for sale here on Norris Lake, Tennessee, just north of Knoxville, fairly close to I-75 today. And I thank you again for joining us. Contact us through our website with any questions. You can reach us via email, text, phone call. We've got an 800 number. It's all found at the website. Thank you again.